Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look on S&P and let's take a moment of the importance of remembering and understanding reversal zone. Here's a trade on S&P for 3 points. Shock or not, it's struggling immensely from reversal zone. This morning we discussed that we expected S&P to fly to this level. We stayed out completely of any bearish structure because we know extremely well that S&P was sitting at very powerful daily reversal zone that no knowledgeable trader would ever short near as a day trader. Exact same thing that happened on S&P daily, where S&P collapsed from daily reversal levels. This collapse currently respecting crucial Fibonacci Reversal Zone 60 points later. Exact same identical thing happening on this trade that we are in right now. Price reversing. This is exactly the reason I named this level reversal zone. Every time price comes to reversal zone, you do not take entry into. You monitor for reversal. Exact same thing has happened on S&P. Very crucial weekly chart where you're witnessing phenomenal reversal. This is where sell-off had started in January. This sell-off in January ended at crucial reversal zone where bullish rally started from until this area. What a flawless reminder. The importance of playing by the rules and never enter the position into this level. Weekly done exact same thing as very small chart is doing. Showing you it does not matter what you trade. If it's weekly S&P or if it's S&P weekly baby chart or if it's monthly oil. As you know extremely well, why oil reversing? Bullish rally in a progress, but as you witnessed very clearly from email from one of the graduates, this pullback was expected. And as you witnessing last time oil staged bullish correction in 2015, this bullish correction ended at this level. And as you're witnessing time and time again what gold is doing, traders, bullish rally on gold in a progress, as posted since November 2015. Knowledgeable trader been long gold. Bullish rally in a progress. And this is reminder why knowledgeable Fibonacci trader exited gold in 2011. Gold collapsed from this level completely, as it's extremely clear that reversal zone never to be ignored. And that's exactly the reason I named this level reversal zone. This is exactly same levels I teach to retail beginner traders as I teach to hedge fund traders, as I consult with hedge funds on long-term stock positions. Same formula applies. It does not matter what you use. Is it oil monthly? Is it gold weekly? Is it Forex 4-hour chart? Price comes to reversal zone, you expect reversal. It's that pure and that simple. And more time I spend with hedge fund traders who trade long-term charts, more I understand why in the world remain a day trader when the opportunities you see in the markets currently play out only every 5 to 8 years. So, play by the rules. And this is very powerful reminder, as you see from my students, why I live and breathe what I do. Because I teach you how to fish, and if you play by the rules, you catch a whole lot of fish. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner trader, it doesn't matter if you're a hedge fund trader. Rules remain the same. The only difference is account size, trader psychology, and risk management. Trail was placed in just perfect place. Trail on S&P was not hit. We're still long on S&P. How you place your stops, how you place your entries, how you trail your positions will determine the rest of the story. Exact same formula applies to position on gold, to position on oil, which we will take a look next as oil news in 20 minutes. So, what's extremely important on S&P to the upside, this level traders, on daily chart. But first things are first, we're still remaining in reversal zone on this baby chart. And first things are first, as I'm reading time and time again, the biggest loss of wealth in America recently attributed to collapse on Apple. Here's my post on Apple from January. Update from October 2015, date January 25th. Apple reversed from 130 and staged bullish rally from 93. As I said, expect Apple to head to 111. And this will end the end of the minor bullish trend. And here's my update on Apple from April 27th. This is very powerful support on Apple, as you can see in front of you. If Apple will continue respecting this level, it will head back up to 106. If Apple is breaking through 91, it will collapse to 78 and 57. I'm interested at Apple at 60. I would not be touching Apple right now with a lightning bolt. Apple continued respecting the end of the minor trend for the last 3 months, but bullish rallies remain minor trend, as Apple was not able to make it very far. It reversed completely from this level. So let's go back on S&P. Here's S&P many points later. Five, correct? 5 points later, let's go to a different chart. 2053 traders, daily level in front of you. Let's go to daily charts, as we reached all the targets we possibly could on this chart. We managed our retracement properly. We trailed our retracement properly. And here is your key area, daily resistance. Will S&P be able to break through this level, or will it collapse in exact same fashion as oil had done in 2015? Remember, decision point 2, oops, reversal. This is where S&P is currently on daily. That's how important this level is. This is where we are on this trade. This trade blasted through decision point 2. This trade blasted through reversal zone. And that's few hours of trading per day. This morning you are done. Your quota is met. If you're a knowledgeable Fibonacci trader and you know where to exit and you know where to enter. So ladies and gentlemen, oil news in 5 minutes. This is reminders. You can browse my post from a week ago, April 27th. This is where we were on oil, as everything recorded well before the news. As I warned you, no one in their clear mind would ever enter into this level. Oil news came out and oil collapsed completely. Prior to the oil news, I also stated that I expected this level to be broken and I expected oil to head next to here and then here. Shock or not, where did oil reverse from? fabulous, fabulous reversal zone. Time and time again reminding you, never, ever, ever, ever acquire a position into reversal zone. What am I expecting on oil next? Oil will struggle immensely in this area. I expect oil to break through this level eventually, and I expect oil to fly back up to this area. But oil will stage very, very painful structure in exact same place where it was last week. It don't matter to me what the news will be. Fibonacci levels tell me everything I need to know. No one in their clear mind would ever enter near this level. We need the price to retrace as low as possible. Only then we will be interested in long entry. Here, oil will become very dangerous and very painful. And this is where you will see serious selling pressure. Let me give you more precise levels on oil that will play out next on hourly. So here's very well defined levels on oil to the upside. Expect oil at 46. 46, this level will be absolute pain on oil. Absolute pain and absolute torture. Bias on oil currently absolutely bullish. But we need powerful retracement to the downside in order to take long. Because bullish rally on oil currently, 140 ticks in a progress, and no knowledgeable trader in their clear mind would ever acquire position this late. So, oil heading to 46. 46 is broken, oil heading to 46.73. 73 is broken, oil heading to 48. Let's pay attention to oil for a couple of minutes. So this is what expected on oil, plus 1 ME. Any data that's bigger than this number is bearish, as oversupply on oil means bad news. Any data on oil that's less than 1 ME is bullish news on oil. So, we already discussed the levels far in advance, and we know extremely well. When you take on long-term charts on oil, bullish rally is taking a pause. I expect oil at 51. But this is short-term charts, and let's see what oil will do here. Oil news, we need the data. Let's take a look. Incredible oversupply on oil, almost 3 times as much, extremely bearish news. So let's go on oil. As I reminded you, no knowledgeable trader in their clear mind would touch oil here. Oil just pulled back significant number of points. Nevertheless, I'm remaining firm. That's oil heading to 46. We will bring up the chart later on. We will monitor structure on oil. Let's go on S&P. And let's take a look on small baby charts on oil so you can see. If you are trading oil, you are a knowledgeable trader who understands that liquidity is extremely small and volatility is extremely high. And if you're trading oil, you're not trading anything else. You're interested in small lot size, you're interested in volatility. Oil is completely opposite of S&P. This is what oil had done on 1-minute chart. As I warned you, you do not want to touch oil long. Nevertheless, I remain firm with 46 number. So we will review oil throughout the day. Are you surprised? How did we know where to exit? How did we know where to enter? Price keeps repeating exact same dance time and time again. S&P had done on daily exact same thing as oil had done on monthly in 2015. Very crucial resistance level on daily. Very powerful reminder what we've been discussing since market open. That the response on S&P in this level will determine the rest of the story. And this is what price does time and time again. It does not matter what you trade. So unlike this morning when our trade reached crucial targets and went through the roof, this time around buyers are extremely weak. So will they finally blast through? As a previous short trade, as always, everything I do for demonstration purposes only, shown to us very, very clearly. Currently buyers defending these crucial support levels, but bullish power right now is nowhere near as powerful as it was this morning. For that reason, stop outside of break-even as you're witnessing buyers struggling immensely to break through this level. No surprise here whatsoever. And that's what price does each and every time. Testing your knowledge of the rules, patience, and discipline. Being a follower never works. Being a knowledgeable trader does. Knowledge and execution in trading is everything. We've been stuck in ultimate torture, as you're witnessing time and time, very crucial reminder. This is where our bullish trade had ended. And this is where buyers stepping in from again, but bullish power right now nowhere near as spectacular as it was this morning. As very powerful, very favorite 21-minute chart showing to us. Sell-off will continue eventually. But while we are in a trading room, I can only show you and I can only warn you. Time and time again. Knowledge and execution is everything. If you know Fibonacci levels and if you play by the rules, as you witness by multiple posts from students, as you witness what happens if you apply the rules properly, you know where to enter, you know where to exit, time and time again. It doesn't matter what you trade. You're witnessing this very, very long, very excruciating, very painful trade that we've been in for another hour, respecting Fibonacci levels time and time again, doing exact same dance as S&P is doing on monthly, daily, and yearly, doing exact same dance as gold is doing exact same dance as oil is doing. So, there is nothing less, there is nothing more to be said. I wish you all phenomenal, spectacular afternoon. If you would like to join us in the course, look forward to seeing you there. And remember, always and forever, being a follower never works. Knowledge does. So, adjust your trail very, very carefully. 20, 45, 75. Well, S&P Plus through the roof, finally. So here comes a reminder of the importance of decision point 2, time and time again. Adore and respect this level as a knowledgeable trader. Never, ever, ever underestimate the importance of Fibonacci and accuracy of Fibonacci levels. If you play by the rules, you know exactly where to enter, you know exactly where to exit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's document what happened on this trade. This was a trade number 6. The previous short trade that I shown you very, very clearly for torture that went for many, many points is not going on record. This one, very, very clearly, very important trade, as I brought up to trading room attention. And that's what we've done so far during the first 3 days of May, since Monday. So have a marvelous afternoon, everyone. Pleasure being here with you, and remember, always and forever, play by the rules. Our fees, I will let you know if we can get together later today or not. Please pay attention to the posts. Thank you.